How to recover ChatGPT account. Recovering a ChatGPT account primarily depends on whether you've forgotten your credentials, if your account was deactivated, or if it was recently deleted. If you want to reset your password, just open the ChatGPT app onto your device. Now I've currently logged in, so I'm just gonna quickly sign out of my account. And at the very home page, you could see login and sign up. If you go ahead and enter in your email and select the continue button, on the next page you will be prompted to enter a password. As per the password, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and select forgot password, or if you receive code, you could also go ahead and select resend email. Once you do this, you will be able to receive the code or verification, and that is where you will be able to create a new password, and that's with that you could go ahead and recover your ChatGPT account. However, if your account was deactivated by OpenAI, often due to policy violations or identity verification issue, you can try to regain access. For that, just have to look for a notification from OpenAI explaining the deactivation. It often contains a direct link to appeal as well. And if you want to submit an appeal, use the official OpenAI appeal form if you believe the deactivation was mistaken. So open up your browser and simply type in the link, that is official OpenAI appeal form. This is where you could go ahead and tap the community.openai.com, and you could submit your request stating that your account was mistakenly deactivated. So this way you should be able to recover your ChatGPT account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.